Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another haul video. I haven't done one of these in a long time because they are so much work and I'm always so exhausted after them. But this one was so much fun to do. I was inspired by the coat challenge. So a lot of these looks are from SheIn, but a lot of them are thrifted from one of my besties, the Manifesting Beauty. She does do thrift and vintage style hauls, and so she does personal shopping and she's a stylist with thrift and vintage. So there is a mixture here of clothing from SheIn and from the Manifesting Beauty, as well as some items from Fashion Nova. So all the details will be in the description box down below. I'm not going to talk through this video, but if you guys do want a more detailed video where I explain how I put together each look, how I styled it, and how I came up with the look that I have, I can absolutely do that. Just leave me a comment down below if you want a full talk through and I can explain exactly where each piece came from, what the inspo was, and all that good stuff. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment and I can absolutely do that. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Watch the whole haul to the end. I would super appreciate it, and let me know what's your favorite outfit in the comments down below. Alright, you guys, make sure you check out the Manifesting Beauty and SheIn. I'll leave all the links down below so you can check out these outfits. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And yeah, thumbs up this video and share it with a friend.